How do I check if all the elements of a nested list tree are identical? I am trying to create a function allSameTree tree that takes a list, tree, as an input and returns true or false if all the elements of the list are numerically identical. So far, I have the following function. While for the most part, this function works, it runs into an issue when evaluating allSameTree 1, 2. Any tips, or alternative ways you would approach this problem?
You can recursively convert the list to a set of items and return true if the length of the overall set is 1.
Another way to do it. Split it into two operations, a flatten and a check that all the values are the same. The flatten will convert a nested iterable into one of a single dimension. So, 1, 2 becomes 1, 2. Then read the first value and cycle through the rest to check they are the same as it. Here's the code. This will work for any iterable, not just lists, and because it uses lazy evaluation, it will stop when it finds two values that are not equal. This saves you from doing unnecessary work. It also avoids instantiating temporary collections, lists, sets, etc., being constructed on each recursive call. Here's a few test inputs.
If you want to see more, these instances are sliding.